Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi, my name is Matthew and I'm a Salesforce consultant at Solved. If you're watching this video, you must be wondering, how can I route objects that aren't typically supported in Omnichannel while still leveraging the out-of-the-box capabilities and features of Omnichannel? There are some objects such as tasks or opportunities that you may have a need to route in Omnichannel, needs that can't simply be solved by routing a standard object like a lead or a case. And for example, I've worked with someone in the past that was a B2C business and would have people sign up for their product on their website, but when they had trouble checking out with their cart, they were syncing those customers into Salesforce as person accounts. They didn't want those to come in as leads because these were people that were already interested in their business. And depending on what kinds of products they were purchasing, they wanted this to automatically create an opportunity of different record types related to that product showing up under that customer's person account in Salesforce. And because they didn't have sales reps already assigned to these end customers, just individuals, they wanted the ability to route opportunities so that sales reps could start working right away as soon as customers need help checking out. So in this video, I'm excited to show you a potential solution for how you can configure a standard object such as opportunities to be routed in Omnichannel. All right, so the first thing that you need to do is create what I call an opportunity work item custom object. You can call this whatever you want, but I thought the easiest, most intuitive name was just opportunity work item. And for this custom object, I created just a handful of fields. I created an opportunity lookup field, a status field, and a type field. I created a type field because we have different opportunity types, and we need to prioritize our opportunities, the routing of our opportunities based on what type it is. And then I have a status just so we can track when this work item can be closed out of someone's Omnichannel queue or not. So that's what I did for this custom object. And then I will show you our service channel first. So this service channel, I enabled secondary routing priorities under Omnichannel settings. So that way I only need one service channel and I can prioritize the work based on this field here type. And I've prioritized the work accordingly. Now for capacity model, you could use tab-based, but it could also make sense to use status-based capacity. And in that case, you do something like this. And so that if that sales rep needs to navigate away from that opportunity for a time or logs out and logs back in, using status-based capacity will ensure that the opportunity stays inside of their Omnichannel queue. It stays in their inbox and it doesn't get reassigned to someone else. So that's how I would set up the service channel. It's up to you if you want them to automatically accept work requests or not. I would configure something like this. And then we need to do routing configurations and presence configurations. For the routing configuration, you need to, as it loads, set a routing priority according to any other routing configurations, objects that are going to be routed to your users. Make sure you set a units of capacity. And then when you create your queues, you just need to make sure that your queues point to this routing configuration. So these are my different opportunity queues, and they all look to this routing configuration. Now for presence configurations, we need to set a capacity. Now 25 is kind of a high number, but set it to whatever you think would be best, whether or not they should be able to decline work and other standard Omnichannel settings. Once you have that, make sure you need to update your present statuses. You need to have some status here. This is just a test environment, developer org. I have this available status where I have chat and opportunity work items, but we could just have, if this person's only supposed to receive opportunity work items, then I would just set it like this. And I've already signed my users to the queues. Last thing that I need to do is I need to show you this flow that I created. And there's a few different flows that you can create to support these automations, but this is the main flow I created. When an opportunity is created or updated, I have a custom field on my opportunity object called route via Omni-Channel. And I'll show that to you here. I have this field, so this field would only be visible to admins, and a system, an automation would check this automatically if this record has just barely synced in from the website, or if we need to reroute this opportunity, then I would have an automation or an admin check this box, which would then trigger my flow here. And the flow, based on what type of opportunity it is, it's going to grab the right kind of queue owner, set the type, and then create the opportunity work item and uncheck that box. And so I'm going to show you a quick demo here. I'm going to set myself to available, and I'm going to click route via Omni-Channel. And you'll see it appears right here in Omni-Channel, and I can click this, and it'll take me straight to my opportunity. All right, so to recap, in this video, we were able to do a quick demonstration of how you can configure opportunities to be routed in Omni-Channel. If you ever have questions about automating Salesforce or leveraging something like Omni-Channel in Service Cloud, I hope you reach out to Solved and we'd be happy to help. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.